Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today, I guess, is May 1st, so this would be for April. Looking at the Nifty, if you look at the longer term chart, I have my drawing tool here, and we are still bullish. Notice we have a doji, two dojis in a row at this point. We are stretched out from the Kijun, so there's always a chance of consolidation, but until they break this trend line, we are still bullish. We are above the Kumo on the monthly as well as the weekly. This is the weekly chart. We are above this nice trending Kumo. As soon as they take prices back up over the weekly Tenkan, that would be a signal to start going bullish, full swing again. On the daily, we are in a congestion zone. Chicago caught inside these candles here. Until we see them break it out, you do have to be careful. Once they break up above these highs and the Chicago breaks out, I would say we should go full on long side. These are some of the stocks we have been following in our weekly webinars. If those who are interested and those who don't know yet, but we do have a weekly educational series on Saturdays. We go over quite a list of stocks. These are some of the stocks here. So I'll quickly go over what we went this weekend. We have been heavily looking at steel stocks for quite a few weeks now. These we talked about having good potentials back here, and we've been riding up, covering these stocks all the way up, like Tata Steel's, SAIL, pretty solid stocks. At this point, they're stretched out from the Kijun, and it could be closing out the position here pretty shortly. Some of the stocks like DCW, notice the Chicago break here. This was a very good place to get in back down here. Nice move up. Hindalco is something we are looking at as a potentially good position as far as going on the long side. This can be bought on strength. Jindal Steel also had a pretty good move. Here's one we are following for Kumo break strategy on the weekly charts. This one is a strategy where you buy once the stock closes above the Kumo and the Chicago confirms. So you keep holding the stock until it closes back below the Kumo, and you continuously take profits whenever it closes below the Kijun, weekly Kijun. You could do the similar strategy on a daily chart as well, and even hourly if you day trade. NMDC, we've been following this one. Nice breakout going up. Praj Industries, similar situation. We've been following it from back here. So even though the Nifty was in a congestion area, these stocks, there were still pockets of strength out there, which you just had to find and get into. Like Imami, this one did not work out. We got in here somewhere, and then we had to stop out because it closed below the Kijun. So does everything work? Obviously not. You do have to keep your stops tight, and you follow your stop loss procedures. So some of the sugar stocks, really good moves here. So if you are interested, feel free to sign up on the website. This is an hour-long seminars that we hold on the weekends. Hope to see you guys in it. That'll be it. Thank you.